Hi, my name is Nathan. I am a website designer and front-end developer, and I have a 4-star rating for Adobe Photoshop. If you want more reviews like this, click the link below. When considering to use Adobe Photoshop, there are a couple other cheaper options. When I was a freelancer, I used GIMP, which is great for just minor changes and image compression. But if you have a larger company, especially like the move that I made with not only developers but with graphic designers as well, Adobe Photoshop is a great solution because it can cover all of the bases at once. I chose Adobe Photoshop just because I made a move to a bigger company, and the team was more dynamic and had needed a lot more needs, especially on the graphic designer side. For developers, we could use some of the more freemium software, but when it comes to the actual graphic designers know what the tools that they like, and moving to that sort of team, we had to bump it up to the Adobe suite in Adobe Photoshop. Onboarding for Adobe Photoshop is fairly easy. The Adobe does a great job of helping you get started with a lot of different tutorials and also walking you through the setup process for your business. I will say that keeping track of the licenses, you do need a certain number of licenses for all of your team. So keeping an eye on that when you think about the cost analysis of it adopting Adobe Photoshop or the Adobe Suite is something to really consider before moving forward. When thinking about buying Adobe Photoshop or investing in the Adobe Suite, I would definitely take a look at your team. If there are a ton of graphic designers, maybe Adobe Photoshop is right for you. But for a developer like myself, using something like GIMP or something that's a free software that can also get the job done is also a viable solution. So definitely look at your team dynamics before jumping into the Adobe Suite and make sure that you're making the right call for your business.